Maintaining a clean and pristine living space is a universal goal, and the Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister vacuum emerges as the ultimate solution to transform this aspiration into a tangible reality. More than just a vacuum cleaner, the Eureka Whirlwind is a powerful and efficient cleaning companion designed to simplify life while ensuring homes remain impeccably clean. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister Vacuum is your home's best cleaning companion. Innovative multi-surface cleaning. This vacuum is not just a one-trick pony, it's your versatile cleaning companion. With integrated airflow control on the handle, easily switch between surfaces at your fingertips. Whether it's the carpet, upholstery, or hard floors, the Eureka Whirlwind handles it all with a powerful 960 watts. Lightweight and maneuverable design. Weighing a mere 815 pounds, this vacuum is a featherweight champion in its class. Its swivel steering and long telescopic metal wand ensure easy maneuverability under and around furniture and stairs. Cleaning your home has never been this effortless. No maintenance costs, no hassle. Say goodbye to bags and filters. The Eureka Whirlwind features a bagless design and washable filters, making maintenance a breeze. Rinse the filters as needed, and you're good to go. No more ongoing costs or time-consuming filter replacements. 2-in-1 integrated crevice tool. Ever lost your crevice tool while vacuuming? Not anymore. The Eureka Whirlwind boasts a crevice tool integrated into the hose handle, always at your fingertips and never lost. Easily switch between a crevice tool and a dusting brush without a hitch. Effortless operation. Spend more time cleaning and less time struggling with your vacuum cleaner. The Eureka Whirlwind comes with an automatic cord rewind feature, saving your valuable time. With a one-button release for easy dust cup emptying, your cleaning sessions are streamlined and efficient. In conclusion, the Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister Vacuum is not just a cleaning tool. It's a transformative force in home maintenance. With its innovative features, hypervelocity suction, extended runtime, and user-friendly design, it stands as a beacon of efficiency and versatility in the realm of home cleaning solutions. The integration of advanced technology, cost-efficient operation, and thoughtful design elements makes the Eureka Whirlwind a valuable asset for households seeking a cleaner, healthier living space. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.